Today we'll be diving into the incredible journey of Etsy and how it transformed from a small online marketplace to a global platform for handmade and unique goods. One of the key factors behind Etsy's success lies in its focus on niche markets. By catering to specific segments like handmade products, vintage items, and craft supplies, Etsy created a unique value proposition for both sellers and buyers. Another aspect that sets Etsy apart is its emphasis on community building. The platform fosters a sense of belonging and connection among its users through forums, groups, and events. This not only promotes collaboration and knowledge sharing, but also creates an environment where customers feel connected to the makers of the products they purchase. One of Etsy's remarkable achievements is its commitment to empowering small businesses. By providing a user-friendly platform, robust seller tools, and extensive support resources, Etsy enables creative entrepreneurs to turn their passions into profitable businesses. This empowerment has not only led to countless success stories, but also contributed to the growth of local economies. In conclusion, Etsy's journey from a small online marketplace to a platform for handmade and unique goods offers valuable insights. By focusing on niche markets, fostering a strong sense of community, and empowering small businesses, Etsy has become a global success story, inspiring countless entrepreneurs around the world. I have often shopped at Etsy myself. It's an incredible marketplace.